We make New Year's resolutions, but most of them go broken, if not all. Despite our greatest efforts, we seldom succeed in achieving the long-term objectives we set for ourselves. All of these attainable objectives have a lasting value, a personal significance, or both. Examples include adopting a better lifestyle, growing a strong social network, publishing a book that impacts lives, and completing a half marathon this autumn. Why then don't we accomplish them? Did you know that developing and maintaining positive habits is the best way to improve your life? According to research, nearly half of your daily activities, from your morning routine to how much exercise you get and how you approach tasks, are governed by habits. If you adopt a micro-habit approach, creating and keeping good habits needn't be as difficult as they initially appear to be. Break your big goals, such as get fit, lose weight, or find a new job, down into smaller, more manageable ones. Consider your personal goals to be work projects. Determine the steps you must take in order to succeed. Determine the changes you want to make in each area of your life, starting with your health and moving on to work and home. You can achieve your goals much more quickly by making a few minor changes in your life. Micro-habits are incredibly beneficial because they're quick but effective ways to move you closer to your ultimate objective. Consider this. It can be challenging to adopt a new habit and make a significant change. Consider that you want to develop the habit of running. You would adore going for a morning 3-mile run, but you are not a runner. It will be challenging to put on your shoes and run 3 miles without any planning or practice. You'll lose motivation quickly, and chances are good that you won't stick with those daily runs long enough to establish a habit. But you can make adopting a new way of being much easier by starting small and utilizing micro-habits. Make a commitment to run around the block rather than 3 miles. See how you like it? Uncertain of where to begin? Here are a few micro-habits you can start implementing in your life right away to position yourself for success. 1. As soon as you wake up, sip some water. Although it's crucial for our health to stay hydrated, many of us are guilty of reaching for a cup of coffee first thing in the morning. Break that habit and substitute a straightforward glass of water. Place it on your nightstand or on the sink counter in the bathroom. In addition to your morning alarm, set a reminder. As you prepare your morning coffee, sip on a glass. You'll experience the advantages of starting your day with a little hydration for hours to come and will be more likely to refill that glass throughout the day. 2. Morning writing should last for 5 minutes. Your mental health will significantly benefit from the habit of journaling. It can be incredibly therapeutic to get your thoughts down on paper. It can also assist you in overcoming obstacles and gaining insightful insight. Set a timer for 5 minutes, with no topic or required number of pages, and scribble down whatever comes to mind. Your daily journaling session will soon become something you look forward to, and you won't need a timer to remind you when to stop. 3. Spend 1 minute each day in meditation or prayer. According to the dictionary definition of meditation, a practice of concentrated focus upon a sound, object, visualization, the breath, movement, or Attention itself to increase awareness of the present moment, reduce stress, promote relaxation, and enhance personal and spiritual growth, according to the dictionary definition of meditation. Meditation is known to have a wealth of advantages for your mental health, from improving self-awareness to better stress management. Start small, with a 1-minute session, if you've been wanting to develop a habit of prayer or meditation but are finding it difficult to sit still, focus, or clear your mind. Soon you'll be able to extend that time to 5, 10, or even 20 minutes, but for now, you can still benefit from a brief period of silence. 4. Read 1 or 2 pages every day. Want to develop the habit of reading but find it difficult to finish a book? Create a micro-habit of reading 1 or 2 pages per day to break it up into smaller, more manageable pieces. You won't spend more than a few minutes doing it, and you'll still be moving closer to your objective of finally finishing that book. When you're ready, you can increase that page count without feeling overwhelmed, distracted, or bored. Give it a few weeks, and you'll find yourself looking forward to sitting down with your book and making some progress. 5. Take a walk outside. People spend more time indoors than ever in modern life. Make time each day to step away from technology and enjoy some fresh air. Opening a window and taking a few minutes to listen to nature could count as this micro-habit. Alternately, if you have a little more time, go for a quick stroll through your neighborhood. 6. Gratitude. Possessing an attitude of gratitude will improve your life. Every morning and evening, set aside some time to reflect on your blessings. It really doesn't matter if they are big things or very small, simple things. A great way to begin or end the day is to develop the habit of seeking out the positive and letting those thoughts fill your mind. 7. Do something nice for someone else. While most of the habits we form are geared toward bettering ourselves, this last one changes your life by helping others. Kindness doesn't have to take a lot of time or money. Simple acts of kindness, such as paying someone a compliment, opening a door for them, or letting them go ahead of you in line, can make someone else's day as well as your own. Micro-habits are an excellent method to establish a new habit if you've been feeling frightened or overburdened, since they demand very little commitment. When you are constant in your efforts, little actions may produce fantastic outcomes. Which micro-habit are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments section. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative, entertaining videos like this one.